How you can change your sensitive content setting in your Twitter. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can change your sensitive content settings in your Twitter account. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all, you have to open up your Safari or any browser that you are using, and here you have to log in your Twitter account in which you want to change your sensitive content settings. So once you are logged in, as you can see that here in the top left corner there is the profile icon. You just have to click on it, and from here you have to go in the settings and the support, and you have to go in your settings and the privacy. Now from here you have to go in the privacy and the safety, and as you can see that here is the option of the content you see. You have to click on it. Now from here you have to make sure that this icon of the display media that may contain sensitive content is disabled, and if it is enabled you just have to toggle off it, and after that you are able to change your sensitive content setting in your Twitter account. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.